Good morning, students. In yesterday's class we had started with the basics of phonetics, and yesterday I had told you that there are in all 44 sounds. I had compared it to the 26 alphabets that we have in English. English में बचपन से हमें 26 alphabets कराए जाते हैं A to Z, but that is only for the purpose of writing, for the purpose of spellings. But when we speak English, we are talking of spoken English, we have to know the sounds of English, and in the sounds of English there are 44 sounds in all. And yesterday I had also told you how there are consonants, 24 consonant sounds and 20 vowel sounds. In the alphabets A to Z there are 26 alphabets, but only 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, but we have 20 vowel sounds. So we have a huge difference in the number of sounds and written vowels. That is why when we are transcribing words, जब हम transcription करते हैं, then we see that it is more difficult. We find the transcription difficult because we don't really know which vowels to put. So if we have this knowledge, the knowledge of vowels, then we will not make any mistake while we are transcribing. अगर ये 20 vowel sounds आपको बिल्कुल clear हो जाते हैं तो आपको कोई problem नहीं होगी. Consonants में ज़्यादा problem नहीं आती क्योंकि सिर्फ 3 का difference है. क्यों? क्योंकि there are 24 consonant sounds while we have 21 consonants in our alphabet. A to Z में 21 अल्फाबेट्स में 21 कॉन्सोनेंट्स होते हैं, साउंड्स में 24. तो ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, सिर्फ 3 का डिफरेंस है. एक्चुअल डिफरेंस जो है वो वाल्स का रहता है. इन द वाल्स इटसेल्फ आई हैड टोल्ड यू हाउ देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ वाल्स, डिफ्थोंग्स एंड मोनोफ्थोंग्स, and there are 8 diphthongs and 12 monophthongs. So this is the major difference that we have in terms of vowels. इसमें हमारा कोई difference नहीं होता कि 5 ही है, 5 में कोई monophthong नहीं, कोई diphthong नहीं. यहाँ पर 20 में से 8 vowel sounds are diphthongs and 12 vowel sounds are monophthongs. When we talk of diphthongs, they are डबल वाल साउंड्स. डबल वाल साउंड्स का मतलब है कि 2 यानी डबल वाल्स की साउंड इसमें आती है इकट्ठे, बट दे आर सो टुगेदर. वो इतना इकट्ठा होती है कि हम उसे एक ही वाल कंसिडर करते हैं, 2 साउंड्स पर एक वाल. लेकिन मोनोफ्थोंग्स में दे आर सिंगल वाल साउंड्स. इसका और ज़्यादा डिटेल में जब हम सारे लिस्ट बनाएंगे 8 diphthongs and 12 monophthongs, then in detail you will understand this. But right now we are going to start with the consonant sounds first. We have done all of this in your second year also, but it is very important that in this class also we revise, because the concept of phonetics must be revised again and again. It becomes more and more clear to you. So today we are going to begin with the consonant sounds. The consonant sounds of English. As I told you before in this previous video also, that we have a list of consonants. Because consonants are easier, so we are going to begin with the consonants first. So the first consonant that we are doing is P sound, where this P is written like this. इसको आप ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे, ये गलत है. इसको आप ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे, ये भी गलत है. This is how you must write the P sound. And you can see these slanting brackets also. We put these slanting brackets so that it is clear to you that this is a sound. It is not P alphabet. This is not P. It is P sound. So P. The example of P you find in words like pin, in words like put, in words like peel. So this is in Hindi also, you can write it like this, pa, it is the same sound. So when you are writing pin, pa, e, and na, put, pa, u, and ta, peel, pa, e, and la. So these are a few examples of the p sound that you find here. The second sound that we are going to do after p is the sound b. B. This sound also in Hindi you can write like this, b. It is the common sound, so not difficult at all. But remember, don't write it like this. This will be wrong. Don't write it like this. This will also be wrong. You have to write it like this, b. B. And there are a few examples, very simple examples like bin, like beat, like bull. So when you transcribe this, it is like b-i, na, bin, b-i, b-eat, beat, and b-u-l, bull. This is not b. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, ये स्लैंटिंग लाइन लगी है, इसका मतलब ये एक साउंड है, ये अल्फाबेट नहीं है, साउंड है. देन द साउंड इज टू बी ब, नॉट बी. बी तो ये होता है जो हम लिख रहे हैं अल्फाबेट में, लेकिन ये अल्फाबेट नहीं है. दिस इज द साउंड ब. सो द थर्ड साउंड, the next sound that we will do today is this sound. This is d. In Hindi, again I repeat, this is a very common sound, d. So it will not be a problem when you say d. Problem comes when we have sounds which are not in Hindi. जो साउंड हिंदी में नहीं होगी वो हमें इंग्लिश में बोलने में मुश्किल होगी. अदरवाइज आवर टंग इज यूज्ड टू स्पीकिंग that sound, so no problem in that. So d is not a problem, and I again say don't write like this, don't write like this, it will be wrong. This is the correct way of writing d. So to give you some examples, we have words like dig, deal, done. So when you transcribe this, it is d-i-g, dig, d-i-l, deal, and d-a-n, done. So you see here, this vowel sound is the most important sound. Otherwise, the d sound is the same as in Hindi. The fifth sound. So the fifth sound today is the sound f. F. We have the same sound in Hindi also, but please don't write it like capital F. Don't write like this also. This is also wrong. F. F sound. And for f we have examples like free, fin, full. So when you transcribe this, you have badi e, free, badi e, this. Then you have choti e, na, fin. Then you have chota u, la, full. So this is how you do the correct transcription. The slanting brackets should be there, which are closing the sounds. Then you must have the correct way of writing any sound, and you must also put the correct vowel sound. Only then this transcription will be complete. अगर आप कोई कैपिटल लेटर लिख देते हैं, आप स्लैंटिंग ब्रैकेट नहीं डालते, आप वाल साउंड को प्रॉपरली नहीं लिखते, तो उस केस में ट्रांसक्रिप्शन जो है वो गड़बड़ हो जाती है. बट यू मस्ट हैव रियलाइज दैट इन कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इज रियली नॉट डिफिकल्ट, बिकॉज व्हेन यू डू द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स दे आर मोर और लेस सिमिलर टू द साउंड्स दैट you have in Hindi. So those sounds are perfect for us, those sounds are okay for us, but the vowel sounds are difficult. ये sounds आपको बिल्कुल difficult नहीं लगती हैं. अभी इस class के लिए we do only 5 sounds, but this is not where our work is done, because we must have a few homework also or some practice also. So for practice I wish you to transcribe these words that I am writing over here. Please transcribe these words for me, and I will ask you to submit this homework also. I am giving you very simple words for transcription. So this is your practice work which I need you to do. So the first word is okay, very simple words. I have tried to give you very simple words. All of them are starting with p, f, t, b. These are the sounds that we did today. So this is your work for practice. Thank you very much.